fam. Shout out to Llama Llama and Warmonger for these finds. They're established, esteemed members of Deal Team 6. They're constantly pushing out deals. Go follow, especially Warmonger, over on Instagram. That guy is a deal monster. Anyways, yes, we'll get to the thumbnail in a minute. But right now, there is a complete restock on the starter sets, which, if you guys are lucky enough to have it in your area, include the bandsaw. You will have to mess around with zip codes, etc. That will bring the price of the batteries down to around $79, which is pretty ridiculous considering that is a 21700 celled 6.0 with a 4 charger in a bag. You guys know the whole spiel. However, if you guys just want something like the router or one of the FlexVolt Advantage tools, those are all fully available in this promo as well. And I do know that you can add the bandsaw separately if it does say sold out. Just a little info there. And all the power stacks have been showing up, not just on the website, but in store. Both the 2 combo and the single, as well as the starter kit. So like I said, we have those promos coming up, both at Home Depot and Lowe's. I misspoke in the previous deal video. It is coming to Lowe's. There's going to be some BOGOs. Circ saw, recip saw, a bunch of different stuff is going to be available. But I think Home Depot has the winner here because they have, and it's not available yet, they're going to have a set with 2 Powerstack batteries, the little rinky-dinky charger, a hammer drill, and what everyone seemed to be obsessed with last year, the DCF 850. $229. I don't think it's going to be part of any BOGOs or anything like that. But $229, you're getting a somewhat mediocre drill there. I'll probably end up buying the set and testing it for you guys. It's not bad. The DCF 850 is pretty good. I like it. It's a little bit awkward to hold, but I've yet to test it with that Powerstack battery, so maybe it balances out. The value here, however, is going to be in the 2 Powerstack batteries, which by themselves go for $179. So, as soon as that's available, I will let you guys know, but it doesn't hurt to look. I know a bunch of Deal Team 6 members, they're freaking out right now, by the way. A bunch of them have found it for curbside in their areas, store pickup. You guys just got to look, punch in your zip codes. Y'all know the whole deal at this point. Not available for ship to home or scheduled delivery. However, if you guys see it up in the rafters, just ask for it. They can't tell you no. That's it for this one, fam. Links will be in the description down below. Have at it. Good luck.